morning, guys. So today what we're going to do is we are going to repair some bleach spots. You can see right here, the customer had spilled some bleach on the carpet and they are virtually impossible to clean them. So we've got our different colored dyes right here that we're going to mix up and get rid of this bleach spot. So here, I don't know if you can see a little bit better with the light on, but that's what we're going to do right there. All right. Show you how we get rid of that. Make it look like it never happened. But first of all, I want to find out what type of carpet this is, whether it's a synthetic carpet or a natural carpet. So I pulled a piece of the carpet fiber from the closet. And this here is some acid, some type of, I forgot what kind it is, but formic acid. So we put that there and put just a drop, if you can see this. Right there. And if that carpet fiber melts, then it is a nylon fiber. If it doesn't melt, it's probably polypropylene or, so look at that. It's melting. There we go. It melted, so now we know what kind of dyes to use because we've got different types of dyes. We've got the regular dyes. This is for polypropylene carpets, and this is for nylon. Before we can dye the carpet, we have to mix up some neutralizer to neutralize the carpet, and this is what we use right here. It's sodium thiosulfate.
English, please.
That's right. So we have to put that in there.
Science project right here.
That's right. It's very important to neutralize the bleach, because if you don't, then the dyes that we put in the bleach spots, they will not be permanent, and when you shampoo the carpet, it'll come out real easily. So that, and dump it right here.
Good thing we know a good carpet cleaning company to get this water out.
Well, I got my trusty wet vac here, but we need to let this sit for about 5 minutes. And while we do, I'll show you that I'm a professional. Look at that.
Nice.
Okay, that's cool.